Did I just sell a bag and then buy it right back again? Yes, I did. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a fun little unboxing for you. I look a little bit of a fright because I've been working on my garden. Spring has sprung, but I decided since the doorbell rang and my bag is here that I'd shoot this video for you. I make videos anytime I feel like it, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. I have an unboxing for you. This is a bag that I've had in my collection that I decided to sell and then replace with an older version of the bag because I think I'll like it better. I know I'm weird. So I'm gonna open the box for you and then show you the bag. It's a vintage bag that I've had in my collection, and I was able to get this for a lot cheaper than the original one. So I decided to sell it and then make money off of it. It's a whole to-do. So let's just open it up and then I'll go through my little spiel of why I'm crazy. So this I ended up getting from eBay. It's been a while since I've bought from eBay. I have bought from the seller before. I'll put their information down below. It came super fast, gosh, 3 or 4 days. It was free shipping, and I was able to purchase this piece for just $536. And it was nice because these usually go for a lot more, so I'm hoping the condition is pretty good. I really love vintage bags. This is a vintage Louis Vuitton, and the patina on it looked beautiful. It does have some wear, of course, like any vintage bag. Now let's see how we get into this firmly to ensure seal. I want the opposite on the pull tab. Oh, seriously? Okay, let's try. There's a second one. There's a second one. Okay, I think we're gonna, there we go. So here is the bag I got. So this is the Montessori bag in the PM size. It has a little bit of wear to it, but it had, as I drop it, my goodness, girl. Let's see, let's pull it out. I already love this one better. So I've had this bag, I unboxed it probably about 5 months ago or so. I'll have a picture I'll try to insert for you. So the bag I got for right around, I think $1,200 from Rebag, and I'm at that stage where Rebag was gonna give me a few more days that I could return it for the highest amount of money for a trade, which around, I think it was around $960. And a little bit of a spoiler, there's another bag that I'm getting, so I decided to send that in because I had seen this bag for $536, so I figure, why not sell that bag, replace it with this? And I'll give you my thoughts on why I did. I was a little scared of the lighter patina of the bag. I saw it and I was so excited. Bag, it's basically brand new. And what I realized about myself is when I'm getting a vintage bag, an older style bag, I really like a patina with it. I want it to have that color. I want it to have a little bit of grunge and stuff to it, because then I won't worry about it. I feel like when I see something that is that very light patina, I'm like scared to carry it. I'm scared to get it all spotted and stuff. Whereas if I have a vintage bag like this that already has some wear to it, I'm gonna wear it and use it and not think about it. So I think that's what happened. I got in my head because it's now spring and I wanted to grab that bag, and then I saw myself like worried about the weather every 5 seconds. I'm like, okay, well, it might rain, or I'm gonna have sunscreen on. I'm worried that the sunscreen is gonna rub onto the straps and I have this weird sunscreen mark. So then I wasn't wearing it. And I really love the style of the bag. I have the one in the newer version here, and I literally use this bag all the time. So this is like a little bit smaller one, and I just saw this is gonna be perfect for spring and summer to wear this. I think this would be so cute in a nice little white dress, but also super cute in like a t-shirt and jean shorts, and wearing it, going out and about and doing activities with the family. And I just love this dark patina. Yes, there is some like marks and stuff to it, but I just think it looks so much better in this color. So let's open it up. This bag has no wear. Let's just double check. Let's get in the light. Yeah, like no spills, no stains, nothing in the bottom of this bag. Let's check the zipper part here. There's no tears. Let's see. Oh, that looks clean and gorgeous. And there's just one, but since the patina is so dark, it's not as noticeable, but there is like a little bit of like a watermark right here. And This is all original too, and I don't see any tears or anything with this bag. Yeah, and there's no cracks to this part too that sometimes happens to these bags. And I just think, you let me know how you feel about like vachetta leather. Do you love it when it's in its raw form, or do you really love the patina? Because I know some people will treat their bags so then it doesn't start to like patina, but I really love the patina. And then you have the straps back here. I feel like, oh, so nice. And this bag, I believe, is from the 2000s, 01 or 02. So she is looking absolutely gorgeous. I used to hate this part of bag, but I really love it because like I have this part now and I just like how to hold it before. The other ones have like a metal thing, but I think this is actually really nice. The leather, it's like comfortable to grab. And I just think this is such a cute size. You can fit everything you need in there. You can also fit a water bottle, which is nice. And I just think I prefer this. Is anyone like me? Have you sold a bag and bought the same bag, but maybe in a slightly different color or slightly different, just something super small? Like this is the same exact bag, only has more patina and just, you know, a scotch more wear. And this was only $536. They also had another one that I thought about getting that was just around $400. And I thought about that one, a little over 400. And what's nice is when you get eBay and you get the Japanese seller, some of them you will get authenticated by an eBay facility and then it gets sent to you. A lot of them do that, but this one didn't. It took like 3 or 4 days to get to me. So that is insane how great it was. This was just a buy now, it was an auction. There is very few that do auctions anymore, I've noticed, but what they do have is that if you see some of these bags and you're thinking about getting them, make sure to put on your wish list because then they'll send you an offer sometimes. Kind of like how Poshmark would do that too, where you get a special offer and you get a little bit cheaper. That happened with this bag. That was the other version that I thought about getting, but I just like to wear on this one a little bit better in the color. There's another one that was just more darker, and I think that this is like the perfect honey color that I was looking for. So I'll make sure to link that down below, but I definitely recommend going to eBay, especially because they have the certified authentication centers. I love my Japanese sellers, and the market on a lot of things is starting to even out and come down. Even with, I'm on the hunt to get another Chanel Classic flap. I'm thinking about maybe getting the size small or medium, the one that I had that was lost. I want to try to get that one again. I'm finding them right around $3,000, just under. Maybe they need a little bit of work for them, but not too bad. And I can take it to leather surgeons. So I'm definitely thinking about starting to buy more vintage. So if that's your cup of tea, make sure you're subscribed because your girl just does it whenever she wants. This is just a hobby for me. So then you'll know. But let's try this on, shall we? So me looking like a slob, if this bag makes me look cool, then we know the bag is worth it, right? Okay, so let's try her on. I do have some sunscreen on, so hopefully it won't do anything. But here is the back, such a cute size. And this is my favorite part, is like just off the shoulder, look at me, whatever. Yeah, I'm here to pick up my kids. That's right, absolutely love this. And then just grabbing it like here, it's perfect, it's light, it fits everything you need. And here's a close up for you guys. Let's get this baby in the lights. Super cute. And this thing doesn't necessarily bother me, like this clip to get it in and out. I mean, if I'm in a hurry, I'll just like, you know, I'll leave it undone and then do it later, but it's not too bad. Buckling it up and putting the stuff away. So let's see if I can do it. Oh, it's the pressure. Yeah, see it, I got like the one buckle in, one-handed. So, and that was even with pressure because I'm talking to you guys, but there we go. Okay guys, what do we think? Do we like this patina better? I think we do. Are we less scared of it? Yes, we are. Are we gonna wear it more? Yes, we are. I'm actually gonna put my stuff in it now because we're actually heading to a park beach thing here in a little bit. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna bust this baby out and take her for a proper spin. Okay guys, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know, are you patina girl or are you a not patina girl with your vachetta leather? Discuss. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.